Ever wish you could effortlessly whip up incredible cocktails that impress your friends and family? Well, get ready to become a mixology master with these super easy cocktail recipes that will make you the life of the party. Picture it. You're hosting a gathering with your loved ones. The atmosphere is buzzing with laughter and joy. Now, hang on, something's missing. The perfect cocktail to help elevate the celebration. Fear not, I've got you covered. First up, you can't go wrong with a classic mojito. This refreshing concoction combines zesty limes, fresh mint leaves, sprinkle of sugar, and of course, a generous amount of rum. Shake it up in a cocktail shaker with ice and strain it into a glass, and voila. A taste of paradise that will transport everyone to a beachside retreat. Now let's dive into the world of fruity delights with our next cocktail, the peach Bellini. Simply blend ripe peaches until smooth, add a touch of peach schnapps, and top it off with some sparkling wine. The result, a vibrant, bubbly elixir that screams celebration. Last but not least, we gotta have an espresso martini on this list. This coffee-infused marvel is perfect for late-night gatherings. Combine freshly brewed espresso, vodka, and coffee liqueur with a hint of simple syrup. Shake it up vigorously and strain it into a martini glass. And sit back and watch the magic unfold as your guests indulge on this irresistible pick-me-up. So whether it's the classic mojito, a fluffy peach Bellini, or an energizing espresso martini, these easy recipes will make you the star mixologist of any gathering. So go ahead, impress your loved ones with these newfound skills and toast to unforgettable moments. Cheers.